that's in me. But I know it's alright. It's alright. Oh, 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 oh. The only one who understands, the only one who gives me something to belong to. There's nothing left to undo. With you everything's beautiful, and I'm not scared to be falling into unknown. You'll find the strength to carry on. I'm fighting by the love that's in you, but it's alright. Oh, and I'm fighting by the love that's in me. But I know it's alright. It's alright. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, and I'm frightened by the love that's in you. Well, it's alright. Oh, and I'm frightened by the love that's in me. But I know it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Perfect. Thank you! Salamat. Ayos, good, ayos. Ang title nun, Tyrene?
Frightened, Dito Be Like That.
Ayan, nice.
Favorite namin ni Papa Kiko.
Oh, you know? Oh. Meron ko bang gusto mong ano? Jig, may mga jig ka na ba?
Soon.
Soon.
November.
Oh, yan. Salamat, Tyrene. Tyrene, kaibigan ko po.
Pakikidang kay DJ Mike and Jimmy.
Anytime. Anytime.
Ganda lang dyan sa kahera yung...
Yung lyrics.
Yung lyrics. Ganda yung song, no? Ganda. Oo naman. Marami naman maganda sa pangit boses, eh. Diba ganun? Katulad ng ano?
Ano, yung isa pang ganun. Yung isa pang na-revive na ganun.
Talaga? Ayos, Papa Bear. Commercial muna tayo, mga kapuso.
Yes, magbabalik ang Talk to Papa. Ito si Papa Bear.
Papa Kiko and the Sabado Boys.
Dito lang sa Barangay LS 97.1.
Ice good. Nagbabalik po ang Talk si Papa Sabado ka Barangay. Papa Kiko and Papa Bear. Special. Parang may itlog ng pugo. Special. Ang ating hapon, kapuso ka Barangay. Birthday ko po bukas. Kaya naman po nagkaroon tayo ng acoustic afternoon. Dahil si Papa Kiko mahilig mag-gitara. At ang mga idol ko nandito, ha. Ating mga katropa sa Sabado Boys. Jimmy Bondok, DJ Mike and Mike Chan. Nandito po sila ngayon. Ay, sige, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo mga kabarangay. Maraming salamat sa mga bumabati. Mamaya pagbibigyan ko kayo ng mga pasasalamat.
Hindi, kailan ka daw kakanta? Nag-aabang sila eh.
Lagi naman tayo kumakanta. Panahon naman nila ngayon. Baka man-late kasi si Jimmy pag kumanta ka.
Oo eh, baka masapang.
Ayos, good. Okay, Jimmy, anong meron tayo dyang last jamming natin? Last session natin.
Sige, ako, gusto niyo mag-lit video ng konti, pero ito muna si Mike Chan kakanta rin ng Don't Know What To Do.
Single ko.
Bago alam niya.
Sige.
Yung single, promote ko lang. Yung
Yeah,
album,
Go ahead.
lalabas na sa November 3. And the album launch is going to be on November 26 sa Eastwood.
Okay.
But meron din tayong mga series of more shows which will kick off at North Ed, sponsor ang 97.1.
Yun, no?
Thank you so much to you guys.
Galing.
November 20 yung simula doon. Hindi ko lang kay Papa Gio eh. So, bahala mag-assign eh. November 20 yung unang sa... Ano?
Buboling lang.
November 20 sa North Ed sa... Yan. Kaya ito yung career single. Acoustic version.
Nice.
Ng Don't Know What.
Gitara na itala eh.
want you only in my mind. But I know that there will come a time to feel this feeling I have inside. You're a hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in and out of love just like a play. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say. My heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. All the time. All the time. All the time. I'm crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. I'm a hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorize all the lines, and here I am, struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say? Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. Back up like that, all the time. All the time. Okay, kaya wala sa dadala. All the time. All the time.
Mike Chan, mga kabarangay. Salamat, sir. Thank you.
Umaatid yung gumigitara eh. Yung backup singer daw nagdala, Jimmy. Sobra na.
Malagi ko. Mike, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here dahil
Thank you.
bayad. Isang text lang yan. Oo naman, cool. Sabi mo sa akin. Tama, pwede ko ba Sabado? Cool. Ikaw kasi ang dami pang ano eh.
Gusto ko ba sa Sabado, Mike Chan?
Ha?
Ako? Magano?
May Santa Rosa ako ngayon, sinansel ko para dito.
Oh my God. Oh, talaga.
Dito na lang, tulapit pa.
Mas marami pa makakarinig, di ba?
Saka ano, Mike, Barangay Yellowstone.
Of course. Hello.
Huwag mo na tanggihan.
Hello.
At least dito, sigurado may nakikinig na.
Mas marami dito as sa wave.
Huwag mo na kasabihin ng totoo.
Biro namin ni Jimmy yan. Kahit
Pinatanggal doon, maghanda na kayo ng silya dito.
Nang biroin kami kasi totoo. Gusto nga namin dito eh.
Oo.
ayos.
Ay, nakakabisita mo to, hindi mo na magsuot ng earphone, no? Ako nasa hospital.
Pero na lang kulang, oh. Sensya na, hindi na paghandaan. Lalaki pala ng mga ethics nyo kasi. Oo, ugali nyo ganyan eh. Sige, DJ Mike, alam ko, request ulit ako sa'yo kahit anong song coming from you. Michael Jackson and whatever you have.
Ano yan? Hindi na?
Cute.
Huwag na yan. Wala natuwa eh.
Hindi, yung ganda yun. Paborito ko yun.
Ay, paborito pa yung listeners.
Hindi, bakit? Birthday ba nila?
Oo,
Ngayon lang to eh.
Human nature na. Ay. Ito po yung awitin ni DJ Mike sa kanyang kotse na bagong bili at binha. Oh my God. Once again,